First of all, you pretty much want to make sure that your printer is ready to work. I mean, it's powered on. Make sure that LED light next to the power button is on. Also, you can press home button to activate the screen. Now lift up the front panel until it gets fixed, and also grab a notch in the paper output tray, extend it and unfold. Make sure you have paper in front cassette or in the rear paper tray over here, and now you can continue on your smartphone. The first thing you need to do on your smartphone is install Canon Print application. So go to App Store or Google Play Store. If you're running an Android device, find Canon Print application, install it and open. On this page you need to agree to the terms and conditions, so tap on check all or decline optional agreements, then hit OK. On this step you need to allow this permission to the application, because otherwise you will not be able to set up your printer. So hit allow. And before tapping on search button here, you need to make some settings on your printer first. So on the printer's display, use these navigation arrows to select the Wi-Fi icon, this one, then press OK. Now go to LAN settings, select wireless LAN, OK, and select wireless LAN setup. And now select Easy Wireless Connect, hit OK. Settings will be made on a computer or smartphone, etc. OK, yes, OK. Now you can confidently turn your attention back to your smartphone and tap on search over here. And it starts searching. In this pop-up, you're asked to be sure to connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone or iPad. So hit OK over here. Give this permission to use your location. This is necessary step as well. Allow to use location. In this window, just hit OK. Now we will connect to the printer directly and set it up. So just hit OK. In this window, answer no. Oh, but before, hit join here and answer no, because your printer is not in this list. That's what you're asked about. No. Now you see the message, the printer will be connected to the following wireless router, set up and solve. So make sure your smartphone is connected to the same network as named here. So hit yes. Well, this may take more than 90 seconds, but usually it's faster. Just be patient and wait for a while. So now the printer is connected, so press OK on your printer, close this window if you don't want to try to print your favorite photo, like suggested. Let's close this window. Do you want to save the network name? Yes. So it will be easier to log in later. So to receive important notification from our app, press OK. Let's do it later. I don't need notifications so far. Consider to press OK if you need. Now your printer is connected to your home Wi-Fi network and can be easily found by other devices in this network. So to check connection, once again on the control panel, select the Wi-Fi icon, press OK, select LAN settings, select wireless LAN, and select wireless LAN setting list. So you can see your network name, security details, signal strength, IP address, and more information. Also, you can hit OK here to print these details, including your Wi-Fi password. Another way to wirelessly connect this printer to your smartphone is Wi-Fi Direct. In this case, you don't need to connect the printer to your home network. You can connect your smartphone directly to the printer, but in this case, you will not be able to use Wi-Fi to browse internet, but you can still use mobile data. Let me show you how to connect via Wi-Fi Direct. So what you need is, once again, select the Wi-Fi icon on the printer's control panel, hit OK. Go to LAN settings, this time select wireless direct, hit OK. First activate this feature, so OK once again. Turn the feature on, press OK. Processing. So wireless direct is active, and now on the next screen you will see the printer's network password. Hit yes. Now use the down arrow to scroll down to password. And as in the previous method, you can print these details later, but this is 3 sheets of different information that you don't need. So I recommend you just to write down this password somewhere, and then you can continue on your smartphone or computer. And on your device, you need to make your way to Wi-Fi networks list. In my case, this is iPhone, so I need to open Control Center, tap and hold on Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi. Now you can see your printer's name over here, so tap on the printer's name and enter the password you just wrote down. Let me just paste because I've copied it before, and tap on join. No internet connection, of course. This is not router, this is a printer. Now you can use Canon's print application to print, scan documents, photos, make copies from smartphone, and so on. If you want to change your printer's network name or change password, you already know how to go to wireless settings. So select the Wi-Fi icon, answer yes in this window, and now go to LAN settings, wireless directs. And here you can change your device name or change password. So let me show you how to change name. So press OK. OK one more time. Now use this on-screen keyboard to type your new name. This button is for backspace. This button is for shift to use capital letters, and this button at the bottom left is for spatial symbols and numbers. Once you're done, find OK, press OK, and press OK on this screen as well. In the same way, you can change your printer's password. And the troubleshooting section, guys, if you have some connection issues, for example, your smartphone doesn't see your printer, you can try to connect the printer to your home network manually. To do this, as always, we need to go to the Wi-Fi settings. Then select LAN settings once again, wireless LAN setup, and this time select manual connect. Now it's searching for wireless router. Select your network. Now select how many routers do you wish to use, only one or multiple routers. Let's say if you have mesh Wi-Fi system in your house, so let's use one router. Now check the MAC address. So if you have few routers, printer see them all, and you need to select which device you wish to connect to. So if you have only one router, you will see only one MAC address here. So select the MAC address, and now you need to enter your home network Wi-Fi password. So hit OK, enter your password, same as you're changing name or changing password of wireless direct. So use this keyboard to enter password. I won't do this because I don't have connection problems. I just showing you the steps. So enter your password, printer will be connected to your home Wi-Fi network, and then you can continue on your smartphone. And on your smartphone, you just need to complete the similar steps just like we did before. Tap on Add or Switch Printer, tap on Register Printer, and your printer will show up here on this screen. That's it. Tap on your printer's name. It's acquiring the information, and now the printer is connected. And if that didn't help, you always can to reset your printer's network settings. To do this, you need to go to the settings this time, select the gear icon, hit OK. I don't want to update so far, I just want to show you how to reset settings. So go to the settings menu, here select settings, device settings. Now press the up arrow once, find reset settings, and select LAN settings only because you need to reset only network settings. Select yes and hit OK. After this, try to connect the printer from scratch. To get the best practice of using this printer with your home devices, install the Canon Print application to all of them. It's available for Mac, Linux, Windows, Android. So install the application and let's finally print a document. The first way is to print from the application. So you can tap on Document Print, select Documents, select your document you wish to print. Now check the file. Hit Next over here and make your settings. So tap on this item. How many copies do you need? Of course, let's say one. Which pages of this document you wish to print? All of them, or just maybe only first page. So select the print range. Next, if you wish to print with the paper that is set up on the printer, you can check these check marks and you don't need to do any settings because this printer, each time you insert paper into it, it asks you about the paper size and type. So you can use the printer settings or adjust the settings from the application. So let's select A4 because I'm using A4. If you wish to change the paper size, turn this feature off, same as original size. You don't need it to be turned on. Now select the media type. Plain paper for documents is good enough. Select mode, color or monochrome. So monochrome is good enough because this is just plain text. And if you wish, go to two-sided mode and set your two-sided mode preferences. Once done, go back to the main screen. The file on the paper is selected. Do you want to check the online manual? No. Just let's ignore this window and don't show it again. You can check manual anytime you need. Now just press the print button and wait for the printer to do its job. Print with the following printer for the first time. Please confirm. Yes, confirm. Good job. Now you have your document printing, and let me show you one more way to print documents from your smartphone. Of course, you don't have to use this application each time you wish to print something because your printer is already visible by the system and you can use it from any application that allows to print. Let's say you wish to print an email, so you just open your email application, select the letter you wish to print, tap on three dots at the top right, and select print or print all. It's creating preview. Now make sure your printer is selected in this drop down, or you can select different printer if you have more than one. And now make pretty the same settings as in application: orientation, color or black and white, double-sided, number of copies. You have scaling options over here as well, media quality, layout. You can print more than one page per sheet. Let's say you wish to print 4 or 6. They're gonna be small if this is text. And just hit print and your document will be printed. To scan documents on this printer, open the scanning unit lid and place your document facing down and align the top left corner with this arrow pointing on the corner of the scanning surface. So align your document. Also here you can see paper size markers. My sheet reaches A4 marker. So next, close the lid. Now in the Canon Print application, tap on Scan, go to Settings, make sure you've selected the correct paper size, select between color and black and white mode, and check the original type. This is document or photo. Now just go back once again, tap on Scan, and wait for the scan result on your screen. Once you've got the result, you can add more pages to your document. To do this, replace the document in the scanning unit with another one and tap on Scan and repeat it until you're done. Or just tap on Exit to save your document. Now tap on the Share button over here. Select the file format. I prefer PDF for scans. For document scans at least. And now you can save to files, you can mark up, you can print right away. So let's save to files. select the file location, let's say documents, and just hit on save, and you're all set. In a pretty same way, you can print photos from this application, control the copy function of your printer, browse for more functions in this tab. Pay attention also to the menu tab. You can set up the application according to your preferences. And one more feature I wish to tell you about today is smartphone copy. But in this application it's pretty poor, and that's why. Let's say I want to copy the document using this feature, so I need to tap on smartphone copy, allow access to the camera, and now I just need to make a picture of the document. Close this window. I will show you everything. You can adjust the document edges, just tap and drag on these lines or corners. Now press next, and there is no option to add another page to this document, so you need to copy the pages one by one, opening this feature, this menu each time you need to scan the next page. So you can just only hit on done here or apply filter like paper, whiteboard, or whiteboard number 2 or something else. So paper is better. Now hit on done and specify a compression ratio, let's say low compression, and just hit next. On this step you need to adjust your printing settings just like in regular printing, and hit print, and the document will be printed. Or you can go back, tap on the share icon, and save your scan to files. For the advanced smartphone scanner, I recommend you Microsoft Lens application. It's absolutely free and, as you can see, available for iPhone as well. So get this application. They have a lot of features, a lot of filters to scan multiple pages, and of course you can print your document right from this application to make a copy. And that's pretty it for today, guys. Now you know everything to start using your Canon Pixma TS5151 wirelessly. And if you like this guide, subscribe to our channel so YouTube recommends our videos in the search results. Also hit the like button to support our channel. And guys, be awesome. Have a nice day. Goodbye.